Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Deanna. For those of you that are new, I figured I would film what I eat in the day. In a day, not in the day. I'm not feeling well today. I'm actually very sick and very achy. I do not look cute right now. I literally just woke up. Yeah, I slept in like really late. I woke up, I would say, about an hour ago, but it's like 11:45 right now, so it's gonna be a late breakfast. Usually I eat breakfast on work days around like 10 a.m. because I get to work like 8:40, so like I get extra hungry. But today I'm gonna do what I eat in the day, like on the weekend, but it might be different than usual because I am not feeling well, so who knows if that'll affect how much I eat and what I eat. Because like I might want soup, we'll see. But yeah, I don't eat like this every day. This is just a random day I picked to film it because I didn't want to plan it. I kind of just wanted you guys to come along. Also, you know, I have a family restaurant, so I'll definitely be picking up food there for like at least a meal or two, to be honest, because I save so much money doing that. Yeah, so I figured why not just take you guys along today, even though I'm not feeling well. Sorry with my voice. But I'm also going to be filming my everyday makeup routine and what's in my bag. So maybe around like lunchtime I'll have some makeup on and might look a little more decent for the video. But if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. It's always in the description down below, and I constantly post there. Like every day I post an Insta story, so it's a better way to interact with me, kind of. Leave in the comments down below if you like this video and what else you want to see from me. So if you want to see what I'm eating today, then please keep watching. Also, just wanted to say, I will probably film what I eat in the day during the weekday, like on a work day, because I feel like that would be interesting too, to see like the difference between the weekday and the weekend. So yes, I'll definitely do that. Yeah, I'm not doing my workout class today because I'm sick, so I need to let my body rest. So I'm not gonna, like, if I were to do my workout class, I would obviously be eating more because I usually get more hungry. So we'll see. I mean, who knows? Honestly, maybe I will eat more even though I'm not working out. But yeah, it's different every day. If I'm doing a workout class, it's different. If I'm at work, it's different, and the weekends are different, you know? So just wanted to say that. So I got my cup of water, my decaf hot coffee, and my 2 scrambled eggs with some red pepper flakes and a little bit of salt and a little bit of ketchup. Okay, my phone is dying, so I'm gonna go record it so I can use it for the rest of the day. But usually if I have 7-grain toast, I'll make a little piece of that to have with my eggs. We just don't have any more. We ran out of it. So I'm just eating 2 scrambled eggs. That's enough protein for me. I'll have that, shower, get ready, and then I'll have a bigger lunch. I know sometimes 2 eggs isn't enough for some people and sometimes it's not enough for me, but because I'm not feeling well, I'm not really hungry. And like I said, like I said, I'll usually have a little piece of 7-grain toast, but we just don't have any more and I'm upset about it, but it's okay. And sometimes I'll put like a little cheese in my eggs. I'm just not feeling it today, you know? Okay, so we are currently mixing the salad, me and my mom. We are going to share this big salad. We went to the restaurant and picked up most of the ingredients because we hardly had anything in the house. But what it is romaine and iceberg lettuce with onions.
Romaine, honey.
No, but this is a little bit of iceberg.
Okay.
I made them put some. So
I cut some apples.
We cut some apples. We used chopped baked chicken and onion, tomato.
And I put a secret. I put fresh unsalted almonds and I cut them fresh for you, honey.
Oh, thank you. So we have some almonds in there, which is great for digestion. Look at that baked chicken, chopped baked chicken.
So we didn't fry the chicken. What we did is we
baked
baked it. Yeah. We have some honey crisp apples, so it has a little crunch. Taste it, sweetheart.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Right?
Okay, so me and my mom are gonna share this for lunch. Super good. We have some chicken in there for protein, some fruit. It's gonna be a good salad. We are starved, so we can't wait to dig in. Also, one of our favorite ingredients that we forgot to mention was goat cheese. And usually we put avocado, but because we put some apple in there, we felt like we didn't need the avocado. But in our typical salad, we always put avocado. I think they forgot it. I think we asked for avocado, honestly. But yeah, so no avocado today, but we do have a little bit of goat cheese in there. Okay, so what we're doing is we are adding the multi-grain wasa whole grain.
Yeah, you put it on the side, honey.
Yeah.
Multi-grain. Oh, they're so delicious.
Whole grain crisp bread.
And they're only
So
35 calories.
35 calories.
Per slice.
For a slice. Which,
And look how big it
honestly,
is.
we're not counting calories here, but
it's
healthy. That's the point we were getting
put it
at.
on the side.
So you just put that on the side with your salad, and we got a great lunch. Little carb, what you need. You need all your nutrients in moderation. So for the dressing, my mom put in a little bit of olive oil, a touch of red wine vinegar, and a little bit of salt. Forgot to mention that, which is important. Also, it's around like 3 o'clock. So it's a pretty late lunch, but very good and filling. And we also have some olives, I just realized, but I didn't eat any, but very good. Okay, so I'm checking in. It's like 4:35. It's been an hour and a half since lunch. And me and my mom,
Hi.
we just got Starbucks. We both got skinny vanilla lattes. So we got 2 pumps of skinny vanilla. And we both got almond milk and extra hot. I got decaf. She got regular. So good.
Delicious.
All right, so we are having a shopping day. You ready? Cheers.
Cheers. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Love it. So good. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. The lighting is so bad in here. We are in Cheesecake Factory, me and my mom. And we were gonna go home and cook a nice homemade healthy meal, but we were so tired. It's like 8:30. We never eat dinner this late. We always eat around like 7 o'clock latest. Usually we'll try 6:30, but because I get home from work so late, now I eat at like 7:30. But we were just so hungry. We went shopping, so we came to the Cheesecake Factory, and we're gonna treat ourselves tonight. So this is not what I really eat as frequent, I guess. We're just like treating ourselves. So to start, we got guac and chips as an app, and of course we have the best bread. This, if you've been to Cheesecake Factory, you can agree this is literally the best bread ever, their brown bread. So I just had a little small piece of that, and now I'm gonna have some guac and chips. Okay, so I got a big meal, but just because I'm gonna save half of it for my lunch tomorrow when I go to work. But what I got is chicken Madeira. It's a grilled chicken, right, Mom?
Yeah.
Grilled chicken with asparagus, a little bit of melted mozzarella, and we have some mashed potato with the potato skins. And I hate mushrooms, and I completely forgot to say no mushrooms, but that's okay. I'm going to just move them aside and eat it, and then I'm going to save half of this for lunch tomorrow because it is way too big, and I never eat the whole thing. And now I won't have to buy lunch tomorrow or pick it up from the restaurant. So, very yummy. Okay, guys, so they're singing happy birthday right now. But just want to show you, I literally just had a small half piece of a chicken, grilled chicken, and still have that left over, and mash and some asparagus. So, like I said, I'm just going to take this to work tomorrow. I'm sorry this wasn't like a homemade cooked meal like what I eat in a day. It was supposed to be, but we just got so busy Christmas shopping. So this was our dinner, and we really enjoyed it. So I'm going to go ahead and close this video out right here with this awful lighting, and it bothers me so much, but I'm so full, and I'm definitely not going to be eating anymore. If I do, I'll come in and check in, but also had water throughout the day. I didn't film that, but yeah, so I'll definitely film this again like during the week, like when I work. So different during the week. And maybe I'll show you like if I meal prep that week, I'll just show you guys, or do another what I eat in a day, like when I cook all my meals and like what I cook. So I'll definitely do one of those. It's gonna be different every time, so I'll definitely film these again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.